Well, I'm out on my local lake again, targeting Australian bass. I'm just taking a beeline straight to these pelicans up here. Where there's pelicans, there's normally bait, and where there's bait, there's normally fish. So I've already preempted what lure I'm gonna tie on, and that's the TT Switchblade in the matte olive, my favorite color. Switchblade, especially in the tannin water. Come join me, see if we can get a few fish. Yep, fish on. Ah, yeah. Ah. So fun. Oh, these fish go hard. A few fish here. See if we can get a few more. There you go.